Your lesson essential question is, why is making a 10 a good strategy to help you add quickly and accurately? So today we're still adding, and we're going to be using a specific strategy called making a 10. So 10s are easier numbers to work with. So when we make a 10, it's just easier to add, especially when we start doing mental math in our head. I know that you guys have used 10 frames before to make 10s. So we'll be using 10 frames today to help us make 10s to add. So let's say I have 8 plus 5. I have two 10 frames because I have two add-ins. My first 10 frame has 8 and my second one has 5. So let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 5. To make a 10, I need to add 2 more to this 10 frame. I'm not just going to put them there. I need to get them from somewhere. So I'm going to take 2 dots from this 10 frame and just move them right up here to make a 10. So now I've got a full 10 frame, and then let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3. So now we've got 10 on the top plus 3. So let's count. 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 equals 13.